Welcome to Arlo Tips and Tricks, a series designed to help you get the most out of Arlo. Today, you're going to learn how to schedule courses with ease. We'll cover everything from templates to setting up a new course from scratch, publishing it online, and managing details like registrations and communications. Let's go. Before we dive into scheduling, let's talk about templates. They're a powerful feature that sets us apart from other training software. Templates in Arlo store all your common course details, like the name, description, prerequisites, pricing, and the website content. Instead of retyping these details out every time, you only have to set them up once in your template. Then when you schedule your courses, all the information flows through automatically. Templates save you time, keep your courses consistent, and make reporting much easier. Let's create a template together. From the navigation, open courses, then click New Course. Here you'll see three options: public course, where anyone can register; private course, restricted to a specific group for private training, like an in-house team; or new template, where we can create a template without scheduling a course right away. Today we'll choose new template, and I have not run this course before. Now let's enter the general course details. First, I'll need to give this template a name. Mine will be called First Aid Basics. Arlo automatically generates a template code. You can turn this off and set them manually, but by default, codes help you tie all your courses together, making them super easy to find. We can also choose the schedule and delivery format, two key components of how this course is expected to run. Arlo offers different schedule types: basic, where it runs over a part of a day or a whole day; or a multi-session, a course made up of multiple sessions over a day or multiple days. You can also select if registrants must attend all sessions for your multi-session course, or have a choice for which ones to attend. It's up to you. Choosing the right schedule types keeps logistics accurate and sets clear expectations for learners. We'll also need to choose a delivery type. Is this an in-person face-to-face course, or are you presenting this course online, for example over Zoom? We can also apply a set of tasks for this course, such as assigning catering setup. Finally, let's set a price. I'll set this course at $25 per registrant, but you can make it free or include or exclude tax as needed. I'm sure you can already see the value in templates and rescheduling. If these details were to remain the same every time, we could have already breezed past this step with a click. For this demo, I'll create a basic course that will be delivered at a venue. Next, let's configure how when this template is applied to a course, how it will appear online to the world. First, choose visibility. This controls whether the course is published to your website or not. You can also choose if Arlo automatically creates a web page for a template or course, or if you'd like to assign it to a specific URL. Next up, we'll need to add all the details to give registrants a professional and slick overview. We'll need to set the advised duration of the course, a course summary and description, any prerequisites, who should attend, a hero image that will be on the course page, and a list image for any catalogs you have. You'll also be able to set any applicable categories to organize the course on your website and make it easy to find. You can also decide when to stop displaying this course, usually when registration closes. Clear, well-structured course pages help learners decide whether or not to register. The more information you can provide here, the better experience they'll have when searching. I'll go ahead and pre-populate this information, and then we can move on to the next step for registrations. All done, just like that. Magic. Right, next up is the registration settings for your template. Here you'll decide the registration method. Is it via an order, a form, or a custom URL? The registration period, so how long registrations will stay open. Registration settings control who can book, how they book, and when they can book. Getting these settings right now prevents overbooking or underfilling your courses when you apply it for the template. You can also set up messages where registration is closed or unavailable, and you can also change your default policies for registration or set custom ones as well. Next, what we'll do once this is all set up is move on to the communications for Arlo. This is one of Arlo's most powerful features, and we will have a dedicated video which I'll mention shortly. So let's move on to communications. This section controls automated emails sent to registrants, presenters, and admins. Options here include registration confirmations, reminder emails for when the course is about to begin, presenter and venue confirmations, follow-up emails for attendees and non-attendees, such as using marketing communications. You can send automated certificates here when a learner passes a course, plus a whole lot more. These emails are sent on your behalf, automated and fully brandable. You can also adjust the from and reply to settings for each template as well. Automating communications saves hours of admin and ensures everyone gets professional and timely information at the perfect time. As I mentioned, this is a powerful feature of Arlo, So we've put together a dedicated video in this series that covers how to set up, brand, automate, and manage all of your Arlo emails. Right, so our template is ready. I'll hit create and approve. Just like that, we've got a reusable template for first aid basics. Let's go now and apply this template to a course to show you how easy it is to set up one live. Now that the template is ready, let's create a new course from it. From courses, click new course, then choose use existing template, and then select first aid basics, the one we just created. Notice how we can skip straight to the scheduling step now. All the general details, website information, registration settings, and communications are already in place. So let's set the schedule, all the logistical details of when this course will actually run. I'll add the start and end dates, select a venue, and assign a presenter and any e-learning I've created in Arlo using our add-on. Arlo's built-in scheduler makes it easy to check availability for both presenters and venues, so you can avoid clashes and always confirm resources and have full confidence in them. If the venue or presenter is known, you can type into that search box and it will pull any associated location or presenter. I can also easily connect to the scheduler view to see a calendar of who and what is available, so again I can confidently lock in my instructor and location for this course. We can also set up any additional support staff, add optional extras like merchandise, add any catering details, all that good stuff. Next, I need to double check all my registration settings are correct and set up any registration limits and alerts. For this course, I want to set a minimum limit of 10 registrations before this course is full and a maximum of 50. I'll also enable an automated email to myself to notify me when this course has reached capacity. For communications, I've already set this up in the template and I'm confident that they're good to go, but there's no harm in double checking before we schedule it to our website. Our course is ready. I'll hit create and approve. It's that quick. Once created, Arlo takes you straight to the course page. Here you can see all the logistical details, dates, location, presenters, price, as well as access to quick links to the website page and the registration form. You'll also see on the right actions for editing, like course details or assigning tasks. You can see registration details at a glance as well. You can create new registrations, send emails or other communications, and view a log of all communications that have been sent from Arlo to your registrations, presenters, and venue contacts. Finally, let's look at the website. Clicking the course link here shows exactly what learners will see: your course information, schedule, and registration form. You can double check the learner experience and make any adjustments if needed. Any changes you make will reflect on your website in real time. Arlo also enables you to reschedule another copy of a course you've run previously in just a few clicks. This feature will copy all of the existing information we've just set up in the previous section. All you have to do is just choose the course dates, select your presenter, and publish. If you've run a successful course with Arlo in the past, this feature makes it super quick to get the same course live and into the world, ready to take registrations. All I have to do is select schedule another, select my instructor, choose my venue, set any registration limits and alerts, and I'm good to go. This is one of my favorite Arlo features for training providers. They know that this course is a success and it will fill up fast. The reschedule feature takes all the admin work out so they can focus on the delivery of great learning and growing their business. And that's it. You've scheduled your first course in Arlo. You now know how to use templates, set details, publish your course, manage registrations, communications, and reschedule previously run courses that were successful. In the next video, we'll look at website and web integrations, how to display courses on your website, grow registrations, and your business. See you in the next one. Happy training.